wait, Thomas, I heard that you have a lot of testimony. Can you share a little bit with me?
Yeah. One of them is rheumatoid arthritis. This is a friend,
Look here.
a friend of mine. Quite a young guy, in his 30s. But the rheumatoid arthritis is bad. So he's been taking a lot of supplements and even stem cell and all these things. But there are side effects of gastrics, ulcers and all that. So I gave him one box of this sole, asking him to take 2 a day. After 10 days, he could lift up his hands.
Wonderful.
He has just completed one box. He's gone on a holiday to Europe now.
Oh.
He can't move his hands, all in braces, but now he just left for Rome.
Oh.
He'll be back here.
Wow, wonderful,
Yes. There's another case of a lady in the 70s. Fingers are stiff. So after 1 week, also the fingers are moved. She's taking it now.
Only 1 week, How many packets a day?
2 a day.
2, How she take it, morning or at night?
Morning and night. But only thing at night she can stop because she can't sleep.
She can't sleep, too active.
And the only disadvantage to her is that she got to go to the toilet very often.
Oh, okay.
That is the inconvenience.
Alright.
But other than that, I think it's beautiful. I think it's just, so a lot of these are people who just try it out to see, to see whether they how the product works. But I think basically from my experience, the results of the products are quite fast. Yeah, it's very fast. Very fast. Within 3 to 5 days, you can see some results.
Wonderful. Great testimony. Thanks, Thomas. Thank you.